Good day, I'm Twyla Whelan and this is your Jis News for Monday, March 24, 2025. Groundbreaking for the long-awaited Caymanas Special Economic Zone is projected to take place by the end of April 2025. This will pave the way for the undertaking of infrastructure works and the build-out of the first 30 acres.
We have gone past talk, we have done the work, and we are now ready to break ground and start construction.
Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness says the 7,000-acre Caymanas Special Economic Zone project is a key pillar of the logistics vision beyond the port of Kingston and lands in the immediate vicinity of the port.
The Caymanas Special Economic Zone is set to transform Jamaica's logistics and manufacturing sectors, attracting global investment and creating thousands of jobs. To catalyze the project, the Port Authority has been tasked with land preparation to address climate change risks, including flooding, bringing basic infrastructure and utilities to the site, creating direct transportation linkages to the container terminal, as well as constructing pre-built space for investors who would wish to come to Jamaica but would rather lease facilities.
The Prime Minister highlights that detailed engineering designs have been completed, the tendering process for the first phase of land preparation and infrastructure works is completed, and all the necessary approvals are in place. The government will be investing $2 billion to enhance key corridors leading to the city of Kingston to create an attractive and welcoming gateway. Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness, who made the announcement during his budget speech, says the initiative will focus on major thoroughfares. These include the airport road from Norman Manley International Airport to Mountain View, from the roundabout at the airport to Port Royal, as well as 6 miles to Dunrobin Avenue and 6 miles to Portia Simpson Miller Square through to downtown via Spanish Town Road.
The project will begin with the pre-investment works, including design and planning, community consultations, and these upgrades will not only beautify Kingston's points of entry, but also enhance infrastructure, improve connectivity, and create a positive impression for visitors and residents alike.
There are plans to introduce open road tolling into the toll road system on the island. It's a state-of-the-art system that allows vehicles to be charged electronically without having to stop at a toll booth by using electronic systems to facilitate payment while vehicles travel at highway speeds.
This system is widely used across the world and has proven to be faster, more efficient, and more convenient.
The Prime Minister reveals that the Montego Bay Perimeter Road that's now under construction will serve as the pilot project for the initiative. Meanwhile, the Angels Toll Road in St. Catherine is to have 3 lanes added, with engineering designs for this far advanced. The 20% duty concession currently available for pickup trucks used by farmers will now be extended to include other mid-sized commercial vehicles commonly used in farming.
We will also revise the GCT Act to redefine eligible vehicles to include versatile options like panel vans and small trucks. These vehicles will now benefit from the existing 20% duty concession that currently applies to pickup trucks. In other words, we are removing barriers that limit our farmers' ability to transport perishable goods, equipment, and livestock feed efficiently.
Additionally, the government will amend the regulations to allow the importation of light commercial vehicles up to 15 years old, an increase from the current age limit of 10 years. Improvements are also coming for marine fishers.
While our fish farmers have always benefited from these duty concessions, our marine fishers have not. And this is an unfortunate anomaly which must be addressed. So I've given directives that steps should be taken for our registered fishers to be included in the 20% duty concession regime.
Minister of Finance and the Public Service Favour Williams is to announce when these adjustments will take effect. And finally, the government will be implementing a new system for motor vehicle fitness certificates.
The first certificate of fitness for a new motor vehicle will be issued for 5 years. For used vehicles, 10 years or less, the validity period for certificates of fitness will be 3 years. For vehicles older than 10 years, the current yearly renewal schedule will remain.
Changes will also be made to the registration period for motor vehicles.
Motorists currently have an option to renew motor vehicle registration for 6 months or for 1 year. We will be introducing a 2-year renewal option.
The changes are part of streamlining processes for efficiency and economic development SPEED initiative aimed at improving systems and processes across all government entities. And that's it for Jis News Today. I'm Twyla Whelan. Thanks for watching.